Hey, Kristen, how you doing? Okay, so the one thing I noticed that we don't have your written rationale here. Good job including your sketches and your type specimen sheet, but we don't have your written rationale. I know you included this little bit right here, but that doesn't really address what we're looking for, and that is this right here, to convince a convincing rationale for the concept you selected to present your digital comp. So in other words, you described the attributes of your digital comp, but you never really addressed why um, uh, the concept you never really gave a rationale. You never gave us the reasons of the concept you selected. So what is the reasoning behind this basic concept here? And what is the reason between these design elements here and the diagonal and kind of clipping the D off right there. And so I'm using that as an example, but so include the reasoning behind your actual type specimen sheet. Okay, I am going to go ahead and say this now. I don't want it to sound discouraging, but I don't think this type specimen sheet is working, and the reason is because you're kind of severing a lot of your letters here. Remember, this is to showcase your typeface, right? So showing partial obstructions of the typeface, I think is going to be really confusing. And then over here, you said you included those because they're special characters. But AQ semi-short the right hand corner, special style, and I just don't see that. I don't see these as standing out from the rest of the alphabet. So I'm not real sure about the reasoning there. Okay, my recommendations are this: you've got your numeric character set as well as your punctuation. That's fantastic. The typeface itself looks fantastic. You've got your uppercase and lowercase letter forms, and then you've got the title of your typeface. But right now, I'm seeing what I would do is this. Okay, I would do this. I would take this uppercase. I would present the uppercase first, right? Move it up a little bit. Present the lowercase right underneath it. So you have uppercase, right? And then you have lowercase. Okay, then up here, go ahead and typeset the Wizard of Oz. So we know that's in first position on hierarchy. Scale-wise, it should be bigger than anything on the page, so the viewer knows, okay, I'm looking at a poster that's featuring a typeface called the Wizard of Oz. Do you see what I'm saying? Then what you can do is come down here. This area will be left open since we move this down, remove this, move the title up here. This area remains open. What you can do here on this same diagonal is start composing keywords that describe the attributes. The keywords that you used for your research, or you can assign some attributes to the typeface itself and add keywords. But I'd like to see a series of keywords here, including uppercase, including lowercase, including title case, including numeric examples, as well as punctuation. Just use some words here. A bunch of different words, typeset in those combinations I just mentioned, so that the viewer can see the typeface in action using live type. Do you see what I'm saying? So you're actually typesetting words so the viewer can see letter combinations and subsequently see live type in your typeface, showing legibility, versatility, readability, etc. Okay, and I think that's really going to clean things up here quite a bit. Good job on your sketches, by the way. And also in your written rationale, I'd like to know what your reasoning is. What is the decision for this type, this size? You've got, right now we're set at 18 by 8.5, and it's a very unusual size. There's nothing wrong with it. It's interesting, but what is the conceptual development? What's the meaning behind the size, the orientation of the poster itself? Okay, those are what I would like to see. That's what I'd like to see moving forward into your final submission. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you very much. Good work. Fantastic work on the typeface, by the way. I've been saying that for a while now, but can't hear it enough, right? All right. Questions, comments, concerns, of course, please let me know. Thank you, Christian.